Hey guys, you ever got into redesigning landscapes? Meaning there's already an existing landscape and you're going to give it, for lack of a better word, a facelift? In this one, I'm working up at my dad's. We're kind of updating, fixing some small issues and just kind of modernizing and freshening everything up. Well, earlier this year, we were able to get Dad's driveway re-asphalted. My dad's almost 90, and one of the things we were doing was fixing an area that had settled down and it was a real bad trip hazard. And we also redesigned all of this to fix it to where it was a much more gentler slope, and we added this wall so we could take the driveway way on out to there and just really make it a nice gentle slope. Well, building this area up, this turned into a hole, and this is the area I want to work on and fix. So one of the first things I've got to do is we've got vents here for part of this basement is full, part of it's a crawl space. And I checked with codes, I've checked with contractors, and it is okay for me to cover these three up. So I've bought the covers, I'll show you those in a minute. And so one of the first things I want to do, I've obviously, in order to raise this up, I've got to bring the landscaping up to about this high. And so I need to cover this completely over. So we're going to get rid of these, put in a solid panel, and then move on to backfilling. And we're actually going to re-landscape this whole end of the house. I think it's going to be really pretty when it's done. So you know me guys, let's get busy. I came up, did some measuring. I actually took one of the old covers off, got a measurement on it, ordered these online through Amazon. And the one thing I know I need to do is I need to run a nice big silicone bead, so when I push it up nice and tight, it'll seal itself. So I hope I estimated correctly. I'm hoping a half a tube per one. Put it on very generously. So hey guys, fast forward yet to the next day. Just lots of mowing here this time of year. and had to pull off this just to get all my mowing done. That's behind me now for the rest of the week. So now I want to focus on getting this project finished. I repurposed these stones and are these concrete barriers, and I was very pleased how this turned out. All I did is come through here. I really worked my rake. I actually used a line of the mortar as my guide for leveling. Got the dirt all pretty decent, got it really close, and then I just started going one by one across, and I would put a level on it. I made sure I had these the distance I wanted, and if I needed to, I could just pound them lightly with the rubber mallet and got them nice and straight and level. And then years ago, Dad had put this it's not river rock, it's more like pebble stone, but it's a tan color, and I can't find this anywhere. I'm gonna have to get online and Google search it to see if I can find more, but there was none locally. So I just did the hard way, and I just moved from here and filled this in for now. This project will be down the road, but anyway, I got this done in gravel. So now pick up, I'm going to get all my, right now they're just set roughly. I'm gonna do some measuring, get these set exactly where I want them, and then I'm gonna get all this planted. And then the best part is for last. I've got the double ground dyed mulch, the brown double ground dyed mulch. Say that fast 3 times. And we'll come in and get all this mulched up real quick. So hey guys, it's probably been about a week and a half since I was up working on the landscaping project that you guys have been watching. By the way, if you're still here toward the end of the video, thanks for hanging toward the end, because this is the best part, and I've got a really cool surprise as well. One of the reasons there's been a time delay in doing the final reveal is my dad is almost 90. He was a Marine, and I came across this just looking on the internet, and I said, wow, this would be perfect for adding for my dad. So there was one spot in the mulch bed that was just kind of begging for this, so I had to wait. I put an order in for it and had to wait for it to come in. It's a product from Design a Stone, and anyway, let me just go ahead and swing the camera around and I'll show you the final reveal, and I'll show you the special feature that we put in the mulch bed. So anyway, we as you know, we did the rock that was about a foot out from, and reused the pebble stone. We used evergreen bushes, just something very inexpensive and easy to maintain. Did a crepe myrtle that will bloom purple, and we will keep this one trimmed. This was not a this one is one of the varieties that's not a real fast grower. And then we did to balance it out. But here is my favorite part. is we added this in as well, stating that there's a Marine veteran that lives here, and I just thought that was a really cool piece. My dad loves it. He had no idea and was really shocked when I brought him out and showed him everything and showed him that that was in there as well. So anyway, guys, this is yet one more little project with me. As you guys know, I'm a one-man band, so I just can do just knocking out one at a time. It takes me a while because of family commitments and being pulled to help with this, help with that. But anyway, I get them done as quick as I can. So obviously, our next project for up here is we are going to take this sidewalk up and we're going to put a new one down and make it bigger. And then this whole area here will become all landscaping, and we're going to thin it out even more and put some more variety other than just the Nandinas in it. And we'll eventually go all the way around the house, and I'll just do kind of like one little section at a time. Anyway, guys, for now, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys like the variety. If you will, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to check the like box for me as well. And guys, for now, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching.